Hey everyone, welcome to Discover and Learn. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Well, today as well, I'm back with vocabulary session, which is vocabulary and pronunciation session, in which I'm going to take up 5 words and I'm going to explain each word with different meanings in different contexts. I'm going to come up with sentences also to help you understand the word better. I'm going to tell you the similar words and the opposite words related to this vocabulary or the word, and I'm going to tell you how you can pronounce it as well, so that it will be very easy for you to understand the word very well and memorize it. Okay, and if you practice in the same way, taking a word and understanding its meaning in different contexts, coming up with sentences, coming up with knowing similar and opposite words, it will be much easier for you to use that word and make sentences from it and use this word in your own sentences when you're talking about on any topic. Okay, so this is the best method, guys. Start practicing vocabulary in this way and you will see the difference. And guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time and free of cost. So guys, let's get started. First word I'm going to take today is circumstance. 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 Okay, so this is how we pronounce the word circumstance. Okay, now what does it mean? The first meaning of the word is a fact or condition connected to, with, or relevant to an event or action. Okay, so anything which is connected to an event or action, any fact or any condition which is connected to any event or action, or which is relevant to any event or action, means circumstances. For example, I wanted to attend the seminar, but circumstances didn't permit me. Okay, which means I was not able to make it, or I didn't go there. I wanted to go for the seminar, but the circumstances were such that I was not able to go. Okay, probably I was tied up, I was busy, or I was not well. There might be any reason why I didn't go there. Okay, so that is what circumstance here means. Another meaning of this word is an event or fact that causes or helps to cause something to happen, typically something undesirable. Okay, so this will be a negative statement, or this has a negative connotation to it, negative meaning to it. So something which was not desired and it has happened. The person committed suicide in suspicious circumstances. The person committed suicide in suspicious circumstances. Okay, which means he committed suicide because there was something suspicious about the whole thing, the whole event. Okay, whole circumstance. So that is why, because of that, he committed suicide, which means that event or a fact or anything which leads to an undesirable outcome. Okay, so this is what circumstances mean. Circumstance means similar words related to circumstances: situation, condition, state of affair, things, position, events, incidents, occurrences. Okay, circumstance is a word which can be replaced by many simpler words. Okay, we can say situation, we can say condition, state of affair, position, things, events, incidences, occurrences. Okay, so it will be very easy for you to speak about this word. So this is how the word is used in different contexts, in different sentences, and there's some similar words which can be used in place of this word. Okay, try using this word in your own sentences and see how you can use this word in your daily spoken English. Second very common word is affect. Okay, it's called affect. Affect is a very common word which is used in our day-to-day conversations or when we speak about different topics every day. So the first meaning is have an effect on something or make a difference to. Okay, it makes a difference. For example, the change in weather started affecting my health. Okay, the change in weather started affecting my health. Due to the change in weather, your health started getting affected. The next meaning of this word is touch the feeling of or move emotionally. Somebody who has touched you, touched your feeling, or have moved you, moved emotionally, right? We say that I'm moved, right? Or you have touched my feelings. This means affect. For example, the tragedy affected his family. Okay, the tragedy affected their family. Probably you can say, or you can name any person. The tragedy affected Ram's family. Okay, so this is how it is used. Okay, so these are the two meanings of the word affect. And I'll talk about, and I've spoken about the sentence also. I'll talk about similar and opposite words now. Similar words related to affect is influence, act on, work on, condition, touch, attack, influence, strike, hit, change. So any of these words you can say or use in place of affect. And opposites are always the opposite. Be unaffected, be indifferent to. Okay, so if you're not affected by something, you will say, I'm not moved by this, or I'm not moved by a story. So this is, you just add not and you can use the word, which means the opposite. Okay, it's as simple as that. So this is how you use the word affect. Start practicing this word and you will get to know how easy it is to use. Another word is constitute. 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 Okay, so this is the word constitute. Let's come to the meaning. Constitute means be a part of the whole thing. If there is something, you are a part of that. There's something which is a part of the whole thing, which means constitute. My family constitute of grandparents, parents, siblings, and grandchildren. This is how you can say. So everybody is a part of that complete thing which is called a family. So my family constitutes of all these people. Okay, so likewise, you can also talk about anything. Or another meaning is combine to form a whole thing. Combine to form. You can add something to form the whole thing. Okay, there were enough people present on the ground to constitute a team. There were enough people present on the ground to constitute a team. Now coming to the similar words, you can use add up to, account for, form, make up, or compose, or comprise of, or represent, or act as. Okay, so these are the different words, which very common words, which can be substituted with constitute. Okay, so you start knowing the similar words and opposite words also, which will be much easier for you to speak the word. Okay, so start using this way and it will be very helpful for you. You will remember the word, you will remember its meaning, you will remember how to use it in your sentences, and you will remember similar words also. So that your vocabulary, with one word, you can learn so many new words. Okay, and its usage as well. So this is how you can start memorizing vocabulary without making any efforts. Okay, the next very common word is appeal. This is a very common word, guys. We all must be knowing its meaning, but still that's fine. We can start taking this word in a new way and start searching for its meaning, its different contexts, using it in sentences, similar words, the opposite words. Okay, so coming to the pronunciation first, it's called appeal. It's called appeal. The first meaning of this word appeal is urgent request, or to make a serious, urgent, or heartfelt request for something. I always appeal people to take English seriously. I always appeal people to take English seriously, or to learn English seriously. Okay, so this is what appeal means in this context. I wanted people to take it seriously. I requested people to take English seriously, or speaking English seriously, because it is going to affect their career. It will help them in becoming successful. Another meaning is to be attractive or interesting, right? Something is interesting or attractive, we say it's appealing, right? The theme of the event was very appealing to the masses. Okay, the theme of the event was very appealing to the masses. Okay, which means it was very attractive and people were very much interested. Masses means many people were quite interested in that theme and they wanted to attend that event. So that is what appeal means here. Now coming to the similar word, you can use call, plead, beg, And we can also appeal to the court, right? In law also it is used, this term is used. We can appeal to the court of law, right, regarding any issue. So we can sue somebody. And you can also use attract, interest, please, charm, engage, fascinate, intrigue. Okay, so these are the different ways we can use this word, or different words which can be used in place of the word appeal. I hope things are very clear by now, guys. It's very easy for you to understand. I'm just giving you 1 or 2 examples to make you understand the context. You have to start using it in your own sentences. You have to take some efforts to start using the word. You can start using it in 3, 4 sentences, 5 sentences to practice the word. Okay, then only it's going to help. The last word is generate. Okay, this is also a very common word. Most of you must be knowing its meaning as well. But to make it more simpler, I'm going to tell the meaning as well, and I'm going to tell the pronunciation and use them in sentences as well. So it's called generate, which is, I hope it's very clear to you. The meaning of this word is produce or create. Okay, it has only one meaning, but it is used in different contexts. So I'm going to tell you that. So it means produce or create. For example, the profit generated by the company is given as bonus to its employees every year. So the profit generated by the company is given to the employees as bonus by the company at the end of the year. Okay, so this is how you can use the word generate. Another one is related to electricity. We can generate electricity. Okay, the windmills generate electricity. The similar words are cause, give rise to, bring about, create, make, produce, initiate. Okay, so these are the different words which are used for this one word. So you can start using these in your own sentences as well, the similar words also in your own sentences, so that it's much easier for you to use these words as well and know these words as well and memorize these words as well in this context, right? The opposite of this can be destroy. Okay, so guys, I hope this vocabulary and pronunciation session was very easy. I have chosen very basic, easy words so that you can start using this in your own sentences. You can start practicing in this way. Get to know the meaning. First, get to know the pronunciation, then get to know the meanings in different contexts. Start using the word in different contexts with different sentences. Start to know the similar and the opposite words and start using those words also in your own sentences, so that tomorrow if you have to speak on any topic, you won't feel short of words, or you won't forget words, or you won't get blank while speaking, because you will have enough words to fill in that space. This is the focus of this activity, or intent of this activity to help you with. Okay, so if you can relate to these problems, definitely this is the solution, and start using this method and you will see a lot of difference in your speaking skills. So guys, that's the end for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep watching, keep speaking, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.